Ang fairness forecast ko, hindi siya attend. No, hindi siya attend kasi allergic nga si Sara Duterte matanong. No? So, constitutionally, to begin with, dapat si Sara Duterte should attend because this is the highest accountability mechanism as provided for in no less than our Constitution. But the question is, does Sara Duterte think that she is above the Constitution or not? And the way she has been behaving ever since appears to be that she thinks she is above the Constitution. No? So she will not attend. What happens if she does not attend? And the idea is that the Senate, sitting as an impeachment court, would like to compel her. No? Will the Senate waste its time seeking for her arrest? I don't think so because the moment that she does not attend, there is waiver naman eh. Waiver to personally confront and she will course it through her lawyers. And alalahanin natin, since the impeachment is sui generis, no, a class of its own, it's also political. And what is the kind of message that Sara Duterte is sending the moment that she does not face all the accusations and does not even explain? Grabe yung mga akusasyon pero walang explanation, no? Yun rin yung mahalaga nating tingnan. And the public should make those people pay pagka hindi sila nag-a-attend sa pinakamataas na accountability mechanism ng bansa.